just woke up about an hour ago and I made a protein shake like you guys saw before, and it just is the it's Orgain vanilla protein, and this lighting's really bad. Okay, it's Orgain vanilla protein and a banana, ice, and then just like plain almond milk. So I'm gonna drink that now and get some work done. I have a couple blog posts I want to get right. I want to write a couple blog posts real quick, and then I still have a couple stuff to do for school. Oh, and I didn't even explain any of this. I just got bored and I was like, hey, I'm gonna film a YouTube video, do a day in my life, because I don't know, my life's not interesting, but like I just thought, hey, maybe I'll just film like a YouTube video. Why not? You know, never done that before. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm trying to get back on my grind with my blog now that school's kind of coming to an end for the semester, because I have so many ideas and I just hadn't had any time to write anything. I really am passionate about my blog. I just haven't been able to post the last couple months. So yeah, I'm gonna write the blog post, plan out my day, do some stuff for school, and then I'm gonna go upstairs to my gym and do like a workout class on my Peloton bike.
Well, I've said this before, but like seriously, for one thing, I don't know how long he left you on for red, but I know guys will like.
So I just finished my spin class about 30 minutes ago. It was seriously so fun. If you guys have a Peloton bike, oh my gosh, you should totally get on it. And if you like, honestly, just go to a spin class. Like, that was my first time ever doing any type of spin, anything. And I did like a Latin ride. It was so fun, guys. I highly recommend you do it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna like, need to make my bed and I'm gonna make lunch. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do for today. Like, I still need to study, some homework, and then I might go to Target and buy some makeup that I don't need. And Cody, how are you doing? Hi. Okay, so I'm making my lunch right now, guys. Ooh. Making my lunch right now. It's really random because I haven't been here in so long, so I don't know what we have. So I'm just like, I just have like broccoli and green beans. I'm just gonna probably saute these in a pan, and then I'm gonna make like a mini pizza thing with some tortillas and pasta sauce and cheese, and then there's like turkey pepperoni in my pantry. I think I'm gonna cook my pizza in a stovetop instead of in the oven like I normally do, just because I don't want to have to heat up the entire oven just for like a baby tortilla pizza thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook it in this pan right here. And Cody, please stop eating my green beans. That'd be great. You guys don't know this because I've never like talked. Why would I talk about food on a fashion blog? I don't know. But I don't eat beef, so this is like my fave pepperoni. It's just a Hormel turkey pepperoni, and they sell it at Publix. Hey guys, so I just finished my lunch. I made 2 of the little pizza pocket things. Not pizza pocket things. And then I just have my veggies, and then I'm drinking a berry LaCroix. Yeah, so every year Spotify does this thing where they do like all of your top songs, and it just makes me so happy for some reason. Like, I listen to all of these songs like every day anyways, but I'm more excited to listen to them now because they're all in one place. Oversized t-shirt that I got from Dick's Sporting Goods, and it's really wrinkled. I don't know. I got it on Black Friday though. And then this jacket from the brand Umgee, and my plain black jeans from Joe's. And then I'm just wearing these red cowboy boots, and these are by Justin's Boots, which I just decided to pull out randomly. I never wear them anymore. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I wear these. I used to wear these all the time. Oh, there's a sock. So I just got to Target. Golden hour is popping. Cannot see. But I'm about to go in and get my stuff now. Hi. So, just got out of Target. And I'm about to head home. And I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Yeah, I don't like this Target. Now that I live in Atlanta, I don't like this Target anymore. It's not very good. Not good at all. Hi guys, so I just got back from Target. I can't believe I literally got dressed up, like took a shower and everything, just to go to Target. But you know, that's what I did. That's what I wanted to do. I still got in that outfit of the day picture. It's all good. So I'm gonna start out show you guys what I got from I just went in for like a couple things. So I got a comb. It's kind of random, I know, but like I literally don't own a comb. Or like I have before, but I don't know where they went. So like I guess I need a comb at some point in my life. Because I noticed it when I was curling my hair the other day. It would be a lot easier if I had a comb. And then I got, this is the whole reason I went to Target. I got the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Because I've literally always wanted to try this. But they never had like anything for people with darker skin. Part of it. So I can finally try it. I'm so excited. And I got this one in the shade tan. I was trying to decide between caramel tan and then I think there was one other one that was a little darker than this. But I picked this one. So I'm going to try it in a few minutes on my, like just swatch it on my arm and show you guys. And then I just got a shower cap.